All right. Let's go camping. We're in for a treat today. Hey, what's going on? This is Dave here at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana with a quick tour and walkthrough of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine XLS, model number 23LDE. Let's get started.
Hey, this is Josh with Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula. I'm here today with the brand new Imagine 23 LDE. We'll start out with the nice full-size awning. Covers the entire front of the coach with a nice LED light strip and of course some outdoor speakers. One of the key features on a Grand Design coach that most people don't see but really should know about is the Mylar tape that they use around all the seams on the outside, which just really gives a great weather seal. It keeps any condensation from building up between the sidewalls, prevents any moisture from leaking inside. All right, now I'd like to show you a few things about the inside. Here we have a nice rear kitchen. As you can see, there's tons of storage back here. We've got a huge kitchen sink here, really deep barn style sink, tons of space for your pots, pans, anything you're doing. Brings us over to our fridge. This is a 12 volt fridge, so it doesn't run at propane at all. It's all powered with a 165 watt solar panel from this roof. This guy is super deep, it's 10 cubic feet. Super efficient, gets colder faster, stays colder, uses less power. Brings us to our Thomas Paine theater style seating. These guys are heated and massaging. You don't have to tell your friends you're out glamping, but it is super nice. Really great dinette set. This also converts to a bed. Reversible cushions. If you don't like the plaid, you can go just straight gray. Next, the bathroom. We got a nice big shower. It's really tall for those taller guys. Porcelain toilet at an angle, so there's lots of room. You're not crouched when you're trying to sit down. Great storage here over in the sink area. And a nice medicine cabinet as well. Last but not least, we're here in the bedroom. We got a full-size queen bed. Nice little storage on the side of the bed for CPAP machines, USB plug-ins, and outlets, as well as his and hers closets on each side.
What'd I tell you? Nice little travel trailer, huh? Hey, for more information on this unit or others here at Brett's RV, check out brettsrv.com. In the meantime, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.